Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to change your WhatsApp business display name. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store, whichever you want of course, and go and download the WhatsApp business application. Now guys, when you did that, you just need to go and link your phone number to your account. And that's guys, if you have a problem of course with doing that, you have plenty of how-to videos about that on our YouTube channel. So after doing that guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. In the bottom we have, as you can see, a few tabs. We have the updates, we have the calls, we have the tools, we have the chats, and lastly we have the settings option. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and change your WhatsApp business display name. So it is pretty simple. You just need to go and follow the few steps to know how to do it in no time. Well, what you need to do is go out of all of these bottom options that you can see. So we have updates, calls, tools, chats, and settings. You need to go and click on the settings option. Now, here you can see your profile picture and your name, and everything you need to do is tap on your name, and there you can go and change your name. After changing it, don't forget to save it, and if you also go and change your profile picture, don't forget to save that also. When you save them, they will be displayed here, and you'll have your brand new WhatsApp name here. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I said, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found it informative, entertaining, and I'll be guys, as always, seeing you in the next video. Bye guys.